In this video, I'll show you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. Move to the top of the document and press Ctrl plus Enter to create a page break for your table of contents. To insert the table of contents, go to the menu bar, click Insert, hover Page Elements, click Table of Contents, and choose with page numbers or with links. You'll see a placeholder text. That means your document has no headings yet. Google Docs builds the table of contents only from heading styles. Bold text, bigger font, or normal text won't appear, so every section must use a heading level to appear in the table of contents. To add headings in the table of contents, select your section title, go to the Styles dropdown and choose Heading 1. Apply Heading 2 and Heading 3 for subsections. After adding or editing headings, click the Table of Contents, then tap the Refresh icon. Google Docs doesn't update it automatically. Refreshing pulls the latest structure. Next, we will see how to make your table of contents look much cleaner by adjusting the format, page numbers, and tab leader. Once it's updated, you can customize the table of contents for clearer formatting. Click the Table of Contents and open the three dots menu, then choose More Options. In formatting, where you can switch between page numbers or blue links depending on whether the document is printed or shared online. Check Show Page Numbers for reports or printed PDFs, and check the Show tab leader. Choose the line style based on the look you want. In heading levels, include or exclude heading 2 or heading 3 sections to make your table of contents cleaner. Adjust indents to make each level easier to read. This helps you format it properly for printed documents, online viewing, or long reports. That's how you create and format a table of contents in Google Docs. Like and subscribe to the video for more quick and useful tutorials.